Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. On this my very channel, I share a lot of information on or ideas on how to make money online, how to trade on Binance and others, how to hustle online, and also sometimes I share an idea on how to learn skills that will be able to keep you going in life. So today we'll be looking at how to fund your Binance account from Nigeria. So please, before we get into that, I want you to take up your phone, make sure you have an internet connection, and make sure you have the Binance app downloaded. So before we jump into that, please, I want you to quickly subscribe to my channel, make sure you turn on the notification bell, and also don't forget to give it a like, to smash the like button to enable the video to go viral. And if you have already done that, thank you for coming back to my channel, and let's quickly jump into that. So you take your phone, make sure you have an internet connection, navigate yourself to the Binance app and open the app. So what we are going to do now, we are going to make a deposit from our local bank account into the Binance wallet. Okay, so in Nigeria now, crypto doesn't our local bank cannot fund our crypto wallet direct. So what we are going to do now, we are going to use P2P to fund this wallet. Okay, so let's quickly go into that. If you look at on your screen here, on your dashboard here, you see deposit NGN through bank transfer, you see P2P trading. So you go to P2P trading. So if you go to P2P trading, what exactly you want to buy? Okay, if it is in USDT, Bitcoin, BUSD, BNB, Ethereum, NGN, SOL, and many more. Okay, so you must leave it on buy. It's already on buy. Okay, now say okay. So the next thing that you do now, you look at this filter place. There's a little funnel there. Click on the funnel. If you click on the funnel, and let me tell you something, some of you will download this app. After doing some verification, you discover that this place is still on USD. Okay, let me show you something. You come to this place and you see that this place is still on USD too. All you can just do, just click on it, select the currency that you want, and it will appear there. Okay, so that will not be a tough time for you. So you go to your filter. Let's assume I want to deposit 30,000 NGN. Okay, so after inputting the 30,000, you come to this place and say yes. So it will automatically filter for you. This one is from 10,000. This person is taking from 10,000 to 150,000. Bandana company. Okay, so on this place now, you will choose whosoever you want to buy from. Okay, you choose who you want to do business with. Okay, if you like, but you must also check your limit. You must check what you want to buy. Okay, because it's going to be based on filter. Like this person too, yes, you can also buy from this person, because this person is taking from 4,000 naira to 90,000 naira. Okay, let's see, Pastor OG is taking from 20 to 72,000 naira, and you also check their rates. This one, yes, I think this one is a bit reasonable. Ah, wow, this one too, because of this little this one is 35, this one is 37, this one is 39, this one is 40, this one is 42, this one is 42. Okay, so the next thing that you will do is to choose whosoever you want and buy from. And also don't forget, also check their means of payment. This one take bank transfer, this one too will take bank transfer, this one too will take bank transfer, and yours is going to be bank transfer. Okay, so the next thing that you do, you just click on buy. If you click on buy now, it will take you to this place. Your own must appear here by fiat, because it's through fiat that we can make a deposit. Okay, if it doesn't appear here fiat on the ground that you're depositing NGN, then something is wrong elsewhere. Okay, so we can now input the same amount again that you want to buy. Okay, it was 30,000, right? 30,000. You see, buy with zero fee. One of the most interesting thing here is that they don't charge you. Okay, you can now click on buy. So if you click on buy, if you click on buy, you hold on here and look at, you see, order has been created. You cannot see Binance is holding the seller's crypto in the escrow account. Binance 247 customer support, so you can shut the person if you had already made the payment. If the person doesn't reply, you can shut the person. But one of the fascinating thing here is that if you follow all these procedures here, nobody can make away with your money, because Binance is going to freeze their account. They cannot cheat you at all. All you need to do is just stick to the rules and regulations. Okay, so this is a crypto amount that's going to the equivalent of that money, 44.35 USDT. Then orders number and payment method and what have you. This is the fiat amount that we are going to pay. The price is 676.35 naira per dollar. Okay, so your time have started counting. Click make payment button below to go to the next step. Okay, the moment you click on this make payment next below, it will take you to the next step where you can finish your payment. Okay, and before you reach this, there are some of those info of any seller that you could check. Okay, any seller that you could check their rate, what people are saying about them. You could check their business or market review or their personality review. There are places you could check it too. So try this and see. So you see the person that you're going to pay, you get this whole information now. So you get this whole information. After getting this whole information, then you can use it, copy this contact. This person is taking OPCOM. Okay, this person is taking OPCOM. So you can, I advise, if you want to pay, use your OP app, so that it will be kind of speedy, to be very fast. Okay, you copy the account number here and make sure you have the name, Daniel Emmanuel Ben. Make sure you have the name and any other thing that may come up. Okay, so that is all. If you just make sure you transfer the money, you come to this place, you have transferred already, you come to this place and click to notify the seller that I have transferred. So you make sure you save your receipt. Make sure you save your receipt, or you can screenshot the receipt, better still, that I can come and upload as a proof. So the moment the person receives the money, he will credit your wallet immediately. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being with me. But before I go, I will like to show you something. Here. Okay, you can check out the info of a particular person you want to buy from. You can check out the info. You see, this is just the chart here with this person. Tomorrow bank. This is the feedback. Please in less than 1 minute. Fast transactions. Patient. Okay, so you can check their review to see how good they are, so that you will not run into a scammer. Okay, so it's telling me that I have one order, that is the one we just did. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being with me. Please, I would like to remind you again, and also I'd like to remind you again to subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell, so that if I drop any rational video like this, it will get to you immediately. And also don't forget to give it a smash like button, so that to enable the video to go viral. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.